Wanti wanti, caan getti getti, and getti getti no wanti. Wanti wanti, caan getti getti, and getti getti no wanti. Do you know what that means? This Jamaican parable highlights the contrast between the haves and the have-nots. Who wants it cannot get it, but who gets it does not want it. Wanti wanti, caan getti getti, and getti getti no wanti. Now, in modern times, the saying, the parable, is so well known that it is hardly completely used. You might hear a person say, getti getti no wanti, and we all immediately understand what is being implied. And finally, thanks for watching. Please click one of the links above to continue watching Jamaican Proverbs or anything related to Jamaica. Please like and subscribe, share if you like. One love. Thank you.